Alright, good day students. Today we're going to be talking about quadrilaterals, and there's a class that was presented before this. So this video is basically to highlight the procedures that you will go through in constructing your quadrilaterals. Now we're going to be looking at the square first. So let us look at the square. Now let us say that you're going to be constructing a square. And when you're constructing a square, you are given the length of AB. You are given the length of AB. Now let us say that AB is equal to 50 millimeters. You are given the length of AB and you are constructing a square. Now one thing you know is that a square, all sides are equal. So that is one thing we know, all sides are equal. Now our square would have A, B, C, and D. Those are the points that our square will have. Now in constructing a square, we're given the length of AB. AB is 50. Now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be extending our AB line. We're going to be extending our AB line. And there's a reason why we extend our AB line, because you know that we're going to be constructing perpendiculars, to our AB lines. So let us extend our AB lines. Alright. Now once we have done that, then we simply need to get our compass. And at A, we're going to be erecting a perpendicular at A. Now, all of us know how to erect a perpendicular. We open our compass to a suitable radius, and at A, we will cut our points. We could refer to this point as 1, 2. At B, we will repeat the same process. We could refer to our points 3 and 4. Now, having done that, students, we can extend our radius of our compass, and we can simply swing an arc. And we can go to 2, cut that arc, we go to 3, we continue to swing an arc, we go to 4, and we cut that arc. Now what have you realized? We have now erected our perpendicular. We have now erected our perpendicular. So somewhere along here, we're going to be having our D, and somewhere along here, we're going to be having our C. So we have erected our perpendicular. Now everything that is in white, students, is going to be construction lines. Now remember that our square, length of AB for our square, that is the length of our AB. So simply put, this is 50 millimeters. We have now received the length of our AB. At A, we can swing an arc and cut our line. So this point will be D, and at B, we will repeat the same procedure. That is now C. So all we now need to do, students, is actually to connect our respective lines. So we can brighten our AB line. And we can brighten our BC line. And then we can join our C to D. So we have just constructed our square A, B, C, and D. Alright, so let us just recap. So to construct our square, we have given our AB, so the length of our AB is 50 millimeters. We have erected our perpendiculars, and we just got back the length of our AB. We swing an arc to cut our perpendicular, we swing another arc to cut our perpendicular, and that is our square. Now what I want you to try now, students, on your own, is how you go about constructing a rectangle. Now let us say that in constructing your rectangle, AB is equal to 70 millimeters. Your AB is equal to 70 millimeters. Now AB is also equal to your A to your BC. So AB that you have right here will be equal to your what? BC. And then now your AB and your BC will be equal. So your AB is equal to your BC, which is equal to 40 millimeters. Are we clear? So your AB, which is equal to your BC, is equal to 70, and then your AD, which is equal to BC, is equal to 40. So I want you to utilize the same principles that you have just outlined. You will get your AB line 70, you will erect your perpendiculars. Remember that the perpendiculars that you erect, you're going to be taking off your 40 to get your AB, you're going to be taking off your 40 to get your BC, and then you construct your line. So I want you to try that. Right now, students, WhatsApp me those images so that we can assess them and see how you're grasping the principles. Thanks again.